Sunday, November 26th. Last night we went out in the evening also. Didn't see much. November 27th today. Got some snow out here. Got more snow on the way also. So, gonna go up and give her a try again. Because after 6 hours yesterday, saw 3 spikes. Something's got to change here pretty quick. Hoping maybe the snow is the answer. Should be a good afternoon. Deer should be on their feet. It's about 19 degrees this morning. 25 degrees or so right now. I gotta get a deer soon. Looking really scruffy. Can't shave till I get a buck. Well, as you can see on the video there, the big 8 came out. He surprised me. He's right in the lane here, and it all happened so fast. I just reviewed the video a little bit. It looks like I shot him a little bit far back. I'm not sure, but I don't know why. It was kind of offhand. I opened the window up here and shot offhand, so I saw where he ran across my lane here down at the bottom of the hill. So I'm gonna probably go check it out here in a little bit. I'll give him some time. Yeah, he just popped out. Boom. Did not expect to see that. Well, what a range of emotions you go through hunting deer. Got the shot off, and I started trailing him, and there was no blood. Luckily, we got snow. I followed him all the way down to where I saw him run across my lane down there, as you saw in the video. And the whole time, no blood. I'm like, oh, what happened? What happened? Well, what happened is he didn't bleed until he was dying. I found him. Yes. Looks like a good buck. Turn the camera around here. I'm gonna try and do a little self video. I had my stand in my backpack that I had up in the shooting house with me. But as I was tracking the deer, the top of it caught on a limb and ripped it right off, so that's okay. I'll sacrifice the camera for the camera stand for this beautiful guy. Look at that. You know, the coolest thing is he stopped right in front of the Tactacam. Had there not been snow covering the Tactacam, I would have gotten the shot on camera. I'll probably show it. I downloaded the video. You can see the deer walk in, you can hear the shot, but can't see anything. a day. My hands are froze. Super happy with this guy. He's a good buck. He's a beautiful deer. Super thankful, super grateful. All the above, you know how it is. What do we got? Oh, there's a flock of geese flying. I won't be able to see that, but it's a wonderful thing. That is a nice deer. I think I can shave now. Getting kind of scruffy. Gonna go down and get my lovely wife, and she's gonna come up and take some pictures. I think it was right around 3:30 when this buck came walking in. All happened really quick. I know that. I turned the camera on really fast and opened the window and put the gun on him. I wasn't shooting off. I was shooting offhand for some reason. I should not have been doing that. I had a nice steady rest in there, but yeah, he's a nice buck. Super happy with him. Got some nice heavy bases. Big old neck. I'm putting on some miles. Rubbing some trees.
Hold him up in front of the snow, kind of without you in the behind him. Move him up so I can see the snow behind him. Like, face me. Put his face towards. There you go. Move your arm there. That's neat.